something is not right. These days I have been feeling very weird. Like, to put it in short, it's like something is dying inside me and I just want to talk about it because I know there are other 23-year-olds and all of us like facing the same thing. Let's have a chat about turning 23. I don't know what to call this. This is kind of like a podcast. मैंने अभी तक नाम नहीं सोचा. I don't know what to call my podcast, so it is just podcast until I figure out what it is. So let's start the trauma bonding. I turned 23 2 months back, and like first month तक I was like, yeah, sure, like life is same, like 20 age is just a number, and sure, like कुछ नहीं change हुआ, because in my mind I am still 18. But recently like something is not okay with me and I can feel it in myself. like मैं इतनी self aware हूँ, मुझे आजकल ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है कि कुछ मर रहा है मेरे अंदर, like something is dying, and I think it is hope. Like, you know, when you are 18 and like when I was 18 and I was just like entering college, तो मैं सोचती थी कि वाओ 5 साल में तो मैं कहाँ पहुँच जाऊँगी, मैं क्या ही कर दूँगी. 5 years is कितना लंबा टाइम. एंड तब तक तो मैं, क्योंकि बिकॉज वन थिंग अबाउट मी इज, मैं बचपन से इतनी ज़्यादा डिल्यूजनली ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड एम्बिशियस हूँ. एंड मैं हमेशा से सोचती थी कि लाइक 5 years में तो भाई मतलब कहाँ ही होंगी मैं. एंड ऐसा लगता है कि 5 years तो हो गए एंड आई एम स्टिल हियर. दो कुछ चीज़ें इंप्रूव हुई हैं. आई वोंट से लाइक माई लाइफ इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम. काफ़ी चीज़ें इंप्रूव हुई हैं एक्चुअली, काफ़ी अच्छा हो गया है सब कुछ, लेकिन आई एम स्टिल नो वेयर जहाँ पे मैंने सोचा था मैं होंगी. एंड लाइक मैं बहुत बड़ी जगह होंगी एंड बहुत बड़े काम कर रही होंगी. एंड आई एम 23 एंड इज जस्ट लाइक सेम ही है सब कुछ. अब लाइक इफ एट 23 अगर मैं सोचूं कि नेक्स्ट 5 years में, बिकॉज अगेन वन थिंग अबाउट मी, आई एम स्टिल डिलूलू, आई एम स्टिल ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. तो अब अगर मैं सोचूं कि ओके अगले 5 years में लाइक मैं कहाँ होंगी एंड मैं क्या कर रही होंगी, विच इज़ मोर पॉसिबल देन पिछले 5 years. आई गेट इट, क्योंकि 18 to 23 इज़ लाइक काफ़ी यंग एज. लेकिन अब अगर मैं सोचती हूँ कि नेक्स्ट 5 years में तो मैं क्या कर दूंगी, तो आई थिंक इट. बट देन पीछे से एक वॉइस इज लाइक, यू नो, पिछले 5 साल में भी मैंने यही सोचा था कि मैं क्या कर दूंगी, लेकिन कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो यू स्टार्ट टू डाउट योर सेल्फ. एंड आजकल मुझे इतना ऐसे सेल्फ डाउट फील हो रहा है कि लाइक क्या मैं कुछ कर भी पाऊंगी कि नहीं. इसलिए आई थिंक मुझे थोड़ा सा मेरा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा सा इससे हिल रहा है. बिकॉज दैट्स द थिंग, लाइक जितने ज़्यादा ईयर्स यू स्पेंड ऑन लिविंग लाइफ, उतना ज़्यादा आपके पास लाइक प्रूफ भी लाइक एक्यूमुलेट होता जाता है कि दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कैन डू, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कैन नॉट डू. एंड अब अगर मेरे पास ये प्रूफ है कि पिछले 5 साल में ठीक है समथिंग्स इम्प्रूव बट नॉट, देयर वाज नो लाइक उतना नहीं हुआ जितना मैं चाहती थी. तो अगर मेरे पास ये प्रूफ है तो इट इज़ वेरी ईजी टू थिंक कि अगले 5 years में भी शायद कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बदलने वाला है, थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाएगा. बट एक्सट्रीम जो मैं चाहती हूँ, जो मैं एक्सट्रीम चाहती हूँ वो शायद ना हो. इट इज़ अ वेरी स्केरी थॉट फॉर मी, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एम्बिशियस हूँ और मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है लाइफ में. इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो फेसिंग द सेम थिंग, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि यू हैव नॉट डन अ लॉट इन दीज लास्ट 4-5 years, like I feel you, but at the same time we have to still keep going, like we cannot stop. And even if there is evidence कि हम पहले फेल हो चुके हैं किसी चीज़ में या we have not grown a lot, you have to ignore that evidence because it is not going to do you any good. Also, if you like logically think about it, like think about it from your brain and not your anxiety like I do. If you think from your brain, you know that 23 is so young. 23 is nothing, like it's like 1/4 of your life. अभी हमें like इतने ही phases 4 बार और जीने हैं, ठीक है, like इतनी ही age, like 80 तक अगर देखा जाए तो 23 you know is nothing like in your brain. But society and comparisons and social media and pressure, and also the biggest pressure, like क्योंकि 20s and especially like late 20s is like most of the major decisions of your life, marriage, kids, and that is so scary. But first of all, my point was कि 23 is nothing. 23 is literally so young, and you know, I know inside that it is stupid of me to be this anxious, to be this like scared of life, to be this scared of growing up and feeling कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया लाइफ में. Because I know in my brain that 23 is nothing. But like the world has changed so much. Like 23 is not nothing anymore. 23 is very old. And in a few years, you know ki like late 20s mein there are all these major like life decisions like marriage and kids, and it's just like scares me so much. Like I'm like horrified, like terrified, horrified. What are the words? Like every single word that you can think about being scared. And that as a girl, you know, once you get married, like you, god, this thought like keeps me up at night. Okay, like it makes me sweat at 3 a.m. at night. It is so daunting for me. I know a lot of us feel that. Like when I talk to my friends, all of them are terrified, horrified of like stepping into this new like chapter of life, and it is so scary. Like I just want to be like at this stage. I just want to be 23. Like मुझे इससे आगे नहीं जाना. Please stop time, because it is so scary to be an adult and take responsibility. I am at least so comfortable in life because my parents made it very comfortable for me. And like just like the thought of like being a responsible adult where you have to take care of things and you have to live life and you have to take care of a house and your family is just like, oh my god. And you know what's the worst for my anxiety? Like this anxiety that I have. The worst thing is this wedding season. And my god, guys, I have to tell you, like I know wedding seasons में ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कि like some auntie comes up and she's like इसकी शादी करा दो and शादी कब कर रहे हो इसकी and all that. And I know it is very common, especially for girls. Like I don't know what problem these aunties have with like girls, and like especially cute girls and good looking girls. Like I don't know what their problem is. They cannot see us live our life. They cannot see us happy, and they're like कि आके my parents को या हमें like शादी करा दो, शादी क्यों नहीं कर, शादी कब कर रहे हो. And मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा, but इस बार I went to like this function and there was this auntie who knows I am studying, but she was like yeah कि शादी करा दो. And thankfully my family and my parents are great. They are like, you know, they shut these aunties up, and that was very good. Like I'm very grateful for that. But that encounter did not let me sleep at night, like because I hate being pressurized and I hate being forced and I hate like don't pressurize me, please. It was bad. It was like I'm actually having so much anxiety even just talking about this. I swear it should be like a criminal offense to walk up to a girl at a wedding and ask her to like, when are you getting married, and like please get married. It should be a criminal offense. These aunties should be put in jail. I might actually like stop going to these functions and weddings because listen, I'm just 23 and it's already started happening. Like imagine like I'm 24, 25, 26 and like oh my god, imagine what will happen then. Abhi to chalo I can say ki I am studying, I am still in college, but like what if I am not in college and I cannot say these things? It is such a dehumanizing experience. It's like, am I not a human being to you? Do you just like see me as someone's wife? Like am I not an individual? Do I have no identity? Do I have no like wajood? Then marriage, like what the hell is wrong with you? So I have been talking about this with my girlfriends a lot, and all of us are like equally scared and terrified of like this age. I think it is just that age where everything is so uncertain. Like you are just at like the cusp of extreme change and you don't know what is going to happen, and it is all of that uncertainty and all of that confusion that's just like so scary. And also 23 is like that age where you start to feel like somewhat of an adult. Like you are getting a sense that you are an adult. You want to live your own life, okay? And I have been feeling this so much recently. It's like I want to have freedom. I want to like make my own decisions. I want to do what I want to do. And I want to have control over my life. But then there are all of these external factors and all these people around you. You're just like, get off my back. Like, get off my back. Can I live? Can I live? Anyways, The point of this podcast, I don't even know. The point was to have the point was me ranting about my anxiety about turning 23. And if you feel the same thing and you relate, you better subscribe, because let us do some trauma bonding, guys. Let us like have panic attacks together. Let us break down together. We are in this together, okay? I don't know मैंने पिछले 15 मिनट में कितनी काम की बात की है. That is not the point of this podcast. No काम की बात, only बकवास. This is fun. Okay, fine. मैं कुछ काम की बातें कर देती हूँ. First of all, you have to ignore अपना पुराना जो भी past failures हैं, या जो भी like whatever you tried and you failed, या फिर जो भी कुछ गलत हुआ या बुरा हुआ, you have to ignore that, like blatantly ignore that. Because if you keep like that in your mind and you make it like अपना खुद का like self doubt अगर आप करोगे कि I cannot do this, या मैं तो इसमें फेल हो गया, ये तो मेरे बस की नहीं है, if you do that, then अगले 5 साल में भी कुछ ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, इतनी भी नहीं होगी जितनी हो गई. ठीक है? तो if you want to grow, you have to ignore अपने पीछे का like जो भी negative failures जो भी था. Second, don't let the hope die. Okay, I know it is dying. I know we all feel it is dying. And like कुछ खतर like हमारे अंदर एक light होती थी, वो like बुझ रही है धीरे धीरे. Fight it. Okay, you have to fight it. You cannot let it go. If you don't want to be like 99.9% people, you have to fight it. And you have to keep that hope, that delusion, that confidence alive. Third, stop going to weddings. Fourth, we are in this together. I think like every person who turns 23 goes through this, because I have friends, like all of my friends are going through the same thing that I am going through. So I think it is normal. It is just that age, and you just have to get through it. There's nothing I can do. Maybe things will get more clear in the next 1 to 2 years. And also, most important thing, this is the age to do like the most craziest, insane shit you can think of. This is really that age, because listen, in the next 1 to 2 years, suppose okay, you are like still following society's rules and like going to job and stuff like that, and like, that's fine. If that's what you want, that's good. But if you want to do some crazy ass shit, if you want to like explode, if you want to like be on another planet, this is the age to like go batshit crazy. Okay, because after this you cannot go batshit crazy. 23 to 25, 2 years, you can do like still you can do whatever the hell you want. After 25, this pressure is going to be 10 times worse. Okay, everything is just going to be worse. शादी के बाद तो भूल ही जाओ कुछ भी. Okay, like you only have a good 2 years जिसमें you can do like the most craziest, insane shit. You can like take the biggest risks. This is like really that age. Like I never thought I will have a YouTube channel and I will be like ranting to a camera, but I know that this is the age to do this crazy ass shit, because I cannot start doing this. Like maybe I can start doing this when I am like 30 or something. I can, obviously, but it's better to do it now than 10 years later. Like go off, like go crazy. Okay. That is what I am doing right now. If you don't go crazy now, you will only regret later on. And listen, this hope that is like जो अभी 23 पे like hope मरते हुए feel हो रहा है ना, ये 10 times और worse हो जाएगा age के साथ. And एक age ऐसी आ जाएगी, you'll be like कि मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती, like अब तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. एक एज ऐसी आ जाएगी. That's what I have decided. Like my decision is कि next 2 years I will be batshit crazy. I will go crazy. Stop worrying about people's judgments and like लोग क्या सोचेंगे ये वो, because you are only a failure until you succeed. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and thanks for trauma bonding with me. And if you want to do more trauma bondings and also like go batshit crazy, then subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.